What is up, Pyros? I just had like the worst thing happen. My daughter had a shitty diaper and she got shit all over her hands, all over her fucking chair. My wife left to go work on sweaters and hoodies for the company and decals for Pyro PD, so I had to clean it all up and it was fucking a mess. I'm telling you, I was almost fucking. willgizzy, thank you. You made my night because without willgizzy, I would not be doing this right now. One in the sky, willgizzy. Thank you, brother. Thank you. willgizzy, my man. Making things all right. See, willgizzy just made everything all right. You know? He really did. He made it all right. Ouch! He didn't make that one all right. Oh, I got hit right in the stomach. Oh, man. Be careful, Pyros. Pumpkins are dangerous. Oh, my God. Oh. Holy buttfuck. Real cheesy. The mini little fuckers are no joke. Put a hole in my table. Oh my god, dude, that was epically, amazingly fucking epic. Epic. Alright. Oh! Alright, Pyros. That pumpkin was no joke. It put a fucking red, made me bleed, man. About the size of a nickel. I might have a huge blister. Well, it was all good until then, willgizzy. You know what I'm saying, brother? It was all good till then. Oh, can't hate the player, gotta hate the game. Them motherfucker little tiny little things the size of a quarter. Oh my god, they rock. Man, I seen so many on the shelves for like 20 bucks. I should have got some of them bitches. I could load up tubes all day of them little bastards, and man, they bang hard. They don't go up very high, but they bang hard, and they have a very nice effect, that snowball effect. willgizzy, thank you. You are the man. Peace out, Pyros. Don't forget get ya a Pyro PD decal. Get ya a Pyro PD hoodie. Pyro PD. I'm a terrible singer. I am just terrible. Love you guys.